Hi guys, and thanks for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Well, I say another video. If you haven't checked any out so far, please do get on the channel. Check out some of the other styling videos we've done, particularly if you're here for the vans, as we have done a few of the Ford Transit custom vans now. And check out the one we've done as a Black Stag edition. That is on the channel, and a lovely, really impressive bit of kit that we've done for a guy called Lee and for John Gross. That brings us straight onto this van, of course. This is another one for that we're doing for Ford, John Gross in Ipswich, directly with the customer and with them working together. The customer's been able to source the brand new van directly through them, of course, straight to us for the styling. That will go back to Gross's and then out to the customer. So a nice, smooth transaction, keeping the customer happy and achieving exactly what he wants to achieve with his van. So this is a brand new one, like I say, Ford Transit Custom Limited. We've got it in with ourselves, it's a black one. We've got it in with ourselves to do a little bit of a swamper style to this one. Nothing too carried away, but gonna look really smart. So first thing we're doing with it is we are stripping the wheels, and then we're going to be doing them in a nice gloss black, so go nicely with the van. At the same time though, we're adding some BF Goodrich KO2 tyres, which will give the swamper look to the van. So that's gonna really change and completely alter the look of this vehicle, so it will look very smart. We're also removing the front bumper and supplying and fitting the Ford front grille. So this is the big grille, goes across the centre with the big Ford text in. So that's going to look really smart, add a nice look to the front of the van. And then of course that brings us onto the back of the van, where we are supplying, painting or colour coding and fitting and bonding onto the vehicle two roof spoilers. I say two, and it's because it's got the barn doors, so it needs the two spoilers. Quite subtle spoilers we're putting onto this one. It's similar to another video we've done of styling a van, so do check that one out, like I say. And then that'll be it. That'll be everything all done. So stay tuned for this one, follow it all the way through. Don't forget, give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if there's any styling we can help you with. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the old channel. Make sure you do that, very important for yourselves and us. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. And well, let's get it into the workshop. So before we do, we're going to roll the intros, get it into the workshop. Happy days. Right, we're just getting the wheels off the van because these are going to be done, even though it's a brand new van, they're going to be fully stripped and then done in the gloss black. And of course we have the tyres to go on. So here's the van now sitting here, all the wheels off of course. We'll have a little wander into the workshop and just show you the tyres. See what you think of the tyres. Do look smart, the old BF Goodriches. So right, okay, here we are. So here we are, here are the wheels. So these, like I say, can be fully stripped, tyres all off and done in the gloss black. And then here are the tyres going on. Look, so we've got the BF Goodrich KO2s. Again, this will just turn it into a little bit of a swamper looking van. We've got the new grille and bits and pieces to go on as well. So we'll crack on with this, getting the wheels all stripped. We'll also do the bike. So we've got a nice bike in for a couple of just tiny little bits on this one. We've got some other bits. Nice Porsche Cayenne Turbo S for a little bit of bodywork on the back. And what will soon be on another video as well, we've got an Audi Q8 S-Line. This is in for some bits of paintwork to be corrected, but mainly the interior to be hydro dipped. So this is going to look really smart. So check that out on another video. Right, here we go. Now time to get the bumper off the Transit so we can fit the new grille in. The guys are on it. Look, here we go. In case you're wondering why we're doing this outside, it's purely because we have the wheels off, getting them all prepped and done in the gloss black. There we go. Easy as that, wasn't it?
Oh, love it.
Easy.
So easy.
Right, there we go. So bumper all off. We need to do this, even though we get asked, can't the grille be changed without taking the bumper off? The answer is no. we know there are videos on YouTube showing people removing the grills without taking the bumpers off. If you do that, you're most likely going to damage all the fixings on the back of the bumper, and then when you fit the new grill in, it'll be all floppy and not sitting there correctly. So we do everything correctly here, so bumper is all off and we get the grill changed. Okay, here we have the new grill all ready and raring to get into that front bumper. So this is a genuine Ford grill, so it will fit perfectly. And just to show you, Paul is now releasing all the clips on the back of the original grille and the bumper, which if you do not remove the bumper and take this off, of course you will break everything. Right, time to get the new grille in.
You want to see them, but they're the tags. Top ones, bottom
Oh.
ones.
There we go, there's all the, as Paul's just pointed out, there's the tags that you, why you need to take the bumper off to fit this. Look at that. Reasonably easy to pop back in though, isn't it, Paul?
Yeah.
But you
You'll find out in a minute.
Right, and then straight back to bumper back on the vehicle, look. Here we go. Line it all back up, clip it in, bolt it on. Easy as that. Right, we're just going to go out and see Rob, who is now fitting the painted wheels with the BF Goodrich tyres back onto the van. Hello there, Rob.
Hello!
Bit windy out here today.
Ah, beautiful. Better than snow and rain.
That is true, that is very true. Here we go, time to get the spoilers all painted. Right, we are now about to get the roof spoilers onto the van. So Paul's already got the one on. We're just going to have a little look. So they've had their primer coat. They've been test fitted. Paul's just getting the bonding agent onto the spoiler. And then here's the back of the van. So one of the spoilers has already been fitted on. So primered on the top there as well. All looking all good. So just get the next one on as well. There we go. Now Paul will line it up with the other one, get it all on, and then of course we'll put the tape on to hold it in place whilst the bonding agent goes off. So we use, it's just down here, the Terrason. Good stuff this, nice and strong, particularly Body Shop sort of approved adhesive. So good stuff that, good stuff. There we go, get that all lined up. Van's starting to look rather smart now. Wheels and tyres all on, front grille's all on. So we'll do some filming at the end with it all looking good. Hi guys, and thanks for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling and of course AW Smart Repairs. Been a pleasure having you along for the ride with this one and checking out the latest Ford Transit Custom that we have been styling. So in the black, this one, so they do look rather smart in the black, especially with the extra little touches we've done to this one. So this has been directly for the customer, but it's been working directly with John Gross Ford in Ipswich, of course, as well, who have sourced the van for the customer. Vans then come to us for the styling. We've worked directly with the customer to achieve exactly what he wanted to do, and then of course very shortly it'll be going back to Ford, John Gross Ford, to then go off to the customer. So hopefully we'll be happy with everything. So on this one, we've not done a huge amount, but it has made some nice differences to the van. We've been looking for the swamper effect with this one. So starting on the front of the van, we have removed the bumper, supplied and fitted the genuine Ford front grille. So the customer will get his old grille back. The Ford grille just adds that sort of swamper look to the front. Then on the sides of the vehicle, if you like, is the wheels. So wheels have been removed and tyres. They've been fully stripped, done in the gloss black, and then had the BF Goodrich KO2 tyres supplied and fitted by ourselves. Again, this gives the swamper look to the van along with the front grille. Moving to the back of the van, the final little touch is our standard roof spoilers being colour coded to the vehicle and then of course fitted and bonded on. So that's all done now. The vehicle, like I say, we've then given it a clean. Everything's been polished and finished off. His original grille and tyres are in the back of the van, ready for it all to go back to the customer, and hopefully he'll be happy with it. So thanks for checking out the video. Please do like and subscribe to the old channel. Check out some of the other videos as well. Loads of vans we've been doing, pickup trucks, hydro dipping, styling, repairs. Check it all out. Like and subscribe to the old channel, turn on the notifications like we say, and stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Right, we'll let you get going. Please do check out some more videos in the future. Check out some on the channel and we'll catch you again in the future. Stay safe. Last look around the van, of course, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.